In this video, I'll show you how to delete a private server on Roblox. So if you want to disable a private server on Roblox mobile that no one can access to your server, then here is how you can do it. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to delete or deactivate a private server, first thing first, go ahead and open up the search bar and simply go ahead and search for the specific game that you have created the server for. So I already make a server on this game, so you just need to open up the game and then you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the server. You just need to tap on server. And here you get the server that you have created. Now to deactivate that, just need to tap on this three dot line at the top right and then tap on configure. And once you're here inside this one, and here you get to see the option allow joining, you just need to toggle off this option. And once you do that, here it says that disabling this makes the private server inaccessible for you and others that you have invited to this private server. That means this server will be deactivated. Now if you reactivate it, you can allow this option as well, but there is no delete option that you can actually apply in order to delete any private server. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.